Hey, I'm Emma Jewell and today I'm going to talk you through how to use the EasyPress 2. The EasyPress 2 is a heat press and it's perfect for adding iron-on vinyl to your projects and knowing that they're going to stay on there wash after wash after wash. With your normal iron at home, usually only an inch square in the middle of that iron is the actual heat you need for iron-on projects. And with the steam holes as well, you can't be entirely sure that when you're pressing you're getting a good solid press on your projects and that they're going to stay on. With the EasyPress 2, the whole plate here heats up to exactly the same temperature, a temperature that you set. So you know it's the perfect temperature for your project and the iron-on vinyl that you're using. You can easily set the temperature. Just press the temperature button on the machine and then the plus or minus buttons to up or down the temperature. Press the timer to change the time you want to press for. I'm going to add a vinyl design to a bag to show you how easy it is to use the EasyPress. First up, I'm going to pop this cotton bag onto my EasyPress mat. Now the EasyPress mat is really important because it has 5 layers of patented technology that Cricut have designed to push all of the heat back up into the back of your project and protect your table as well. So you're not going to feel any heat underneath the mat and you can be sure that the back of your project is getting as much heat as the front. So first of all, pop your bag on there, make sure it's nice and centered and you're happy with it. Then this is a really important step, to pre-press your material for about 10 seconds. This helps get all the moisture out of the material before you add the vinyl on top. Perfect. I'm now going to lay a vinyl design that I've pre-cut and weeded, it says feeling pretty, onto my bag. Make sure I've got it exactly where I want it. There we go. Now I have set my EasyPress to 160 degrees centigrade for 30 seconds, which is perfect for the vinyl that I'm using. And I'm going to pop it down on there and press the green button here to set the timer. I don't have to push down hard, I'm just doing a light press whilst it's on there. And you can see the timer counting down on the screen as well, so you don't have to worry about how much longer you've got. You don't have to think in your head, and then you wait. It will bleep when it's done, so we're coming up to 3 seconds to go. There we go. Take it off and pop it back in the cradle where it belongs. Now different iron-ons have different peel off times, so make sure you check with your iron-on vinyl if you can peel it hot or cold. This one is a cold peel, so just give it a waft to double check it. And then I can peel away the carrier. And I've now got a beautiful bag with iron-on vinyl that is stuck on there for life. So I can now wash this and I know it's going to stay on there. And that was done under 30 seconds. I hope this video helped you learn a little bit more about the EasyPress 2. Happy crafting!